Yes, my people, Uncle Tom again, Eh? My love how the boss use me up from what area, cause every time he beg me do one of this, me get a piece of money so me can find my food at daytime. Well, him a try if he live up to him promise, people. He say him a go give you one thing where him call in between time, whilst I wait on the in the streets J.A. cartoon for drop. So in the evening, him a drop this one, It is called Price Too High. I mean, no, say someone I go say then why him no use this for in the streets J.A. Guess what? He can't use it cause it would have change up the characters them wanna know and love so much. So just go and work with him, man. Trust me, that one year is worth the watch. Really, really nice little piece of movie. It is called Price Too High. So just go and watch it. I remember people, member for like, and member for share. Yeah, here, later.
Samantha, you're late again. That's the third time this week. Relax now. School now runway. I'll reach when I reach. Miss Clark already upset with you, Miss Clark always upset. That's just how she stay. You acting like nothing matters anymore. Look here first. Antonio just sent me money again. Real money. What am I looking at? See? A money transfer from Antonio. Wow, that's a lot. Where is he even getting all this money from? That's not my business. My man take care of me. That's enough. And you don't find that strange. Nobody just gives like that for nothing. You too simple, Nikisha. You wouldn't understand this kind of life. I understand enough to know when something don't feel right. Me good, you worry too much. I hope I am wrong. Oh no.
You took long.
School held me back. You could have come inside instead of waiting out here.
I'm good. Here, Samantha, this is for you.
What is it?
Don't open it here. Wait till you go home.
Why not? Yes, why she can't open it here?
Because it only concerns you.
It's okay. I am not offended. This don't feel right. And why can't she open it?
I don't like surprises. I plan ahead.
It is okay, Nikisha. Don't worry.
Are you coming?
I wasn't planning to, but okay.
Hey, ready to head out?
Yeah, let's go.
I'm starving. All right, hop in. I'll drive.
So, where are we going?
You'll see. It's a surprise.
Love surprises.
Your friend don't like me, eh?
She just overprotective.
Overprotective? Or just jealous?
Jealous of what?
Of you. You different from her. You not stuck in one place. Look at her. Always books, rules, stress. That's her life. You actually living.
I don't know about all that.
You don't see it yet, but you will.
She just don't want me to get in trouble.
Trouble for what? Enjoying yourself? Listen, not everybody wants to see you happy.
Nikisha not like that.
You sure? Anyway, forget all that.
Antonio? What is this?
Just something for you.
Something for me? That's all you gonna say?
You always want full explanation for everything.
Well, yeah, you just handed it to me like it's nothing. Why it's sealed like this?
Don't open it yet.
Why not?
Just wait till you get home.
You making it sound serious.
It's not a big deal.
Then why I can't open it now?
Because I said so. Hey, I just want you to look at it properly, that's all.
Look at what exactly?
You'll you'll understand when you see it.
You being kind of weird right now.
Weird? Nah, you just overthinking. Not everything is a problem, Samantha. And listen, don't show that to nobody
Why?
because it's for you. Not everybody need to be in your business,
Not even Nikisha?
especially not her.
All right.
Good. Just open it when you get home.
All right. See you tomorrow then.
Maybe.
You've been missing classes, Samantha. Teacher's noticing now. I said I'll fix it. You always say that, but you're not fixing anything. Why are you always on my back? Because I care about you. You dealing with an older man? You skipping school? You think nothing can happen? We are careful nothing is going to happen to me. You could get pregnant, Samantha. You sound paranoid. I'm being real. I know what I'm doing. Why he not answering? If anything happens, go here. Don't tell anyone. What does that even mean? Why would he give me this card? Hey, you don't look too good today. Are you feeling well? I am not feeling too well. What's going on? I don't even know how to say it. I think something is wrong. Just say it. I'm here. I missed my period and I've been feeling sick like every morning. How long now? 2 weeks, maybe more. I think I'm pregnant. Are you sure? Like, sure? No, I mean, I haven't tested yet, but he gave me this before I even knew. How many? A clinic card? When did he give that to you? That day by the gate when he gave me the envelope. And he told you what? He said, if anything happens, go there and don't tell anyone. Samantha, that's not normal. I didn't think anything of it. I thought he was just looking out for me. No, that's not looking out for you. That's planning something. He knew something would happen, or he expected it. I thought he cared about me. I thought he cared about me. I know you did. What am I supposed to do now? We go through it, one step at a time. You're not doing this alone. But first, you take the test to be sure. Okay. You breathing fast. Try slow down. I can't. I feel like everything's spinning. Look at me. You're not alone, all right?
Samantha Brown,
Yes, that's me.
the doctor is ready for you.
Just go. The sooner you know what's happening, the better. All right, but I am so nervous right now. I'll be here waiting for you. Okay.
Hi, Samantha. How are you doing today?
Not so good.
Tell me what is happening with you, and we take it from there.
I missed my period. I think I might be pregnant.
Okay. Let's run some tests so we can find out for sure. Okay?
Okay.
Samantha, I know this can feel overwhelming.
Just tell me, please.
The test came back positive. You are pregnant.
No. No, that can't be right.
I understand this is difficult.
No, I can't be pregnant.
Nick, I still in school.
Be pregnant.
There are options, and there is support.
He knew.
Sorry? He gave me something before this. Tell the nurse to make an appointment for you to come back and see me, okay? My mom is going to kill me. Samantha?
It's true, I'm pregnant.
Come, let's go. We have to figure out a way to tell your mom.
I can't. How will I tell my mom? I have to go to that place.
Are you crazy? Stop talking rubbish. Come, let's go. We will find a way.
Pick up. Please pick up. Antonio, I need to talk to you. You always so quiet. What are you thinking about?
Think ahead, that's all.
You knew, didn't it? I trusted you. Your phone, you're not answering it?
No,
Who is it?
no one important.
You two just in time. Food ready. What wrong with you?
I'm fine.
What going on? Look at me. What is wrong with you? Answer me!
Mommy, I'm pregnant.
No, not you.
I didn't mean for it.
How this happen?
I don't know.
You thought what? That you grown? Tell me this not true. Look at me when I talking to you.
It's true.
No. After everything I do for you, I work hard every single day. Make sure you have what you need, and this is what you bring home?
Auntie, please.
Nikisha, not now. You couldn't listen? You couldn't focus on school? That was your one job.
I didn't plan for this work.
You didn't plan for this? So what you think was going to happen? Auntie, she already knows she made a mistake. And mistakes have consequences, Nikisha. Big ones. I had plans for you, Shanice. You were supposed to do better than me, go further than me.
I'm sorry, Mommy.
Sorry can't fix everything.
But she still have a chance. She just need guidance right now.
Who is the father? Where is he?
It's Antonio. He not answering me.
You mean to tell me you in this alone?
That's why she needs you now more than ever.
You really put yourself in a hard situation, Shanice. I can't think straight right now. I need time to process this. Oh my God, this cannot be real. What me a go do now? God, me one and only pick me. Why? God, wasn't I a good mother? Me try to give her everything she need. Where me go wrong? God, since our father died, is me one. Help me, please.
Oh, Mom, I'm sorry.
Sorry can't fix this.
Mom, I'm sorry I let you down.
We will figure it out together.
Together?
Yes, together.
Hi.
Hey,
You were right.
I didn't want to be right.
I really thought I had everything figured out. I thought I was living the best life, but I was just pretending.
You weren't pretending. You were hoping.
Then why does it feel like everything just fell apart? Because sometimes the truth hurts before it heals. I don't even recognize myself anymore, but you still you, Shanice. You just made a mistake.
It feels bigger than a mistake.
It only feels that way because you're facing it now. I'm scared of what comes next. You don't have to figure everything out today. One step at a time. You really think I can fix this? You can't turn back time. You can survive it. It's not the end. You can still go back to school and rebuild.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Here you go, sweetie.
Yeah, my
Yes, your giraffe. It's so cute.
we up
Okay, up it goes.
again.
You're so good at this.